Hello guys.
Ang kalaban natin, puro DPS at saka stunner. Isa lang din ang biglaan dito, Bert. So,
Mega lang.
bahala na. Tignan natin. Puro nangahatak. Nagtatago ako lagi sa likod.
Okay lang.
So, hindi nangahatak, nanunuwag.
Let's go.
Hindi ako lag.
Very good.
The battle starts in 10 seconds.
Baka damihan ko yung shield ko para kahit anong mangyari. Malayo yung shield ko.
4, 3, 2, 1. Show me what you can do.
Show me what you can do.
Oh, stupid man. You're stupid.
Hoy. Naglalag ako, Buds. May delay.
Eh,
Hindi agad bumabalik si Jim Raynor.
welcome to my world. So pati sa'yo, random din. Random lagging din.
Yeah.
Talagang sakit na ng laro, ano?
Yup.
Ikaw pa naman ang main damager, Bert. Banatan mo si Donara. Okay, kahit tamaan tayo ng tamaan.
This medic's my new best friend.
Nagawa ni Diablo.
The beacons have activated. Control them. Please let this work.
Right on.
Yung palang clown na yan, pwede maging tank.
Sino? Oh, yeah,
Yung
yeah, yeah.
clown.
Pwede.
Ulot ako dyan, nag-heal eh. Lakas ng heal. Nagawa niya yung sarili niya.
This medic's my new best friend.
Nice. Kasi tayo sa klate.
May healer ba siya?
Whatever's clever.
Si Rhaegar.
Right. This medic's my new
Si ano i-heal ko? Clowny. At Ratbert. Hindi kaya si Clown. Shit. Ang priority ko sa healing yung nasa unahan. Para mawasan yung mamatay.
Select a
Kasi na, wala na ako. GG. May pampaputok. Tuk-tuk.
This should be good.
Uh-oh. I'm dead. Bye, Buds.
Takot. Ay. Ah. That again. Holy shit, man.
Level gap.
All day long.
Sinasabi na nga pag paulit-ulit. Ulit-ulit.
Unahin mo yung healer, Panda Boy. I'm dead. We cannot pull. Kuha nila.
Oh,
Wait. Never mind.
Pag-init
May
ako.
delay. Hindi. Uwi na ako.
Ah!
Oh, so many Zerg headed right for us. Stop them! Stop them at once!
Going hostile.
Oh, God.
Naligo ako sa Banelings.
Tapos hindi ka na nakagalaw.
Raiders roll.
Your fort has been shattered.
Zerg threat eliminated.
Oh, thank goodness.
My goodness. Napakatagal maka-activate ng skill.
Your talent.
Jesus. Yun, nag-i-start na yung malalang lag.
Add on.
Laging patay si Gazlo.
Oh, tangina. Lumayo, lumayo.
I'm dead.
Hindi kita kaya lapitan.
In the face of death.
Power spike.
Shit, hirap nun ah.
They'll be active soon.
Time to man up.
Level gap pa tayo. Laki ng kinocompensate na ano.
The beacons are now online. Please keep them out of enemy hands.
Shit, god damn it.
No, I'm dead.
Oh, fuck. Ang gagawin ko doon, nilagyan pa kita ng shield para lang mahil. Talagang hindi kaya.
Ano ginagawa ni Ano ba?
Enemy has destroyed your fort.
Level, ano, papalevel.
Habo bujika lululu. What? Yatid.
The Zerg headed our way are much more numerous than the other batch. Not to mention we have the same fate.
Boss pa.
Busy, but prioritize everything you deserve.
Much obliged.
Bert, Bert, huwag ka ng bulel.
Wala na, talo na to.
Zero. 0 kills. Taas yung taas ang score natin ah.
MVP.
Use down your
Hindi nila alam ang sitwasyon mo.
Yep.
Ay, buhay. Pag di ako naglag, ikaw naman ang lag. The fuck?
Take some more alien bone.
Oh shit! Just keep circling. You like that? That was a
Yeah,
good circle tactic right there. What is that? Okay.
it's over.
I don't know if I got the thing.
I don't know
You
if
were
I
able
did
to hold
either.
this shit on you. I'm not gonna grab this stuff. It
I got a
doesn't seem
backpack.
important. What?
I'm reading a book.
You just
Don't
got all
you-
this shit in your
Look
hands.
at hey, look and see Project Zomboid over here. This is Project Zomboid gameplay.
Ow. I got 2 bitches in the back.
Wait, you got 2 bitches?
Bed sheets. One's dead. One one's outside.
Oh, it's the same Gazlo, yung kasama natin kanina.
Kalaban?
Kasama. Tapos yung kabila naman, yung Chen na nagsabi, noob DPS kanina.
Ah. Okay, Bert, ako naman ang lag.
Prepare.
Let's see.
Yep, ako naman ang lag.
Yay, okay na ako.
I miss that vulture.
Okay na ako. Di na delete. Tingnan natin ngayon anong masasabi ni Chen na naging kasama natin kanina.
Go. Yum. Sam. Ni. Ich. I'm going to pull back. Let the battle begin.
Bert?
Fuck him! Oh, ngayon sasabihin niya noob DPS? Fuck him. Lag lang ako nun.
Bert, we need to gather XP, man.
I know.
Balikan ko lang tong isa, ha?
Sige lang.
Nangyari sa top? Walang tao sa top?
Should be good.
Nope, wala pa luwipat. Samahan ko si Murky. May wanna kill that panda.
Saan yung ano dito? Ah, launcher?
Wait.
launcher.
Wag mo muna i-open yan, Pami. Kailangan mo muna i-open yung up ownership.
Okay, I'll just wait for instruction, yo. I'll just wait.
Walang tao, sabi na nga ba eh. Urur. Ay, Bert!
Yeah, I'm doing the best I can.
Nope, you're going home, bitch. You're going home.
Select a
Thank you. We need more people here.
I'm moving out.
I need to hide.
I know.
Okay, wala. Naumano sila. Awesome. Buti na lang, nakukutubang ko kung saan pupunta itong mga hayop na to. Okay, papunta pabalik sa'yo, Bert.
Now I'm going back to mid.
Oh shit.
You can count on me.
Oh, baba,
shit.
baba.
We've redesigned our Triglav
This is a
protectors
war.
for combat in the Nexus.
Wow.
Prepare to begin field testing.
What are you doing, Murky?
Oh shit.
Triglav terminal online. Take control of it to pilot the net.
Sige lang, Boots. Just do what you guys do.
Si ano nandoon kaya ako napashit.
Geratol?
Si yung panda.
Oh.
Be careful. Something's off.
Nope, I'm not going anywhere. Priority ito, hindi yan.
Feeling attacked.
Choose a talent.
We're gonna get it.
Shit, si ano?
Triglav protector operational.
Come here, Gazlo! Dumikit ka dito! Shield! Bitch! Bitch!
Ina. Mga bot.
Alam ko may shield yung robot eh. Kaya pumunta agad ako doon.
Pick a talent.
Patay pa rin. Loko ka ba? Kasama ako kung nasaan yung tower. Dahil pagka lumalim yan,
Protector to its limit.
mamamatay yung mga nasa loob.
Geratol versus Geratol, oh.
Oh, can't go anywhere. Tataasan ko yung shield ko, Bert.
Sige lang.
Much obliged.
Bale mangyayari, hindi burst healing, pero kaya ko kayong gawin ng invulnerable for 1 second.
Sige lang.
I think that's much useful dahil burst damage si Zeratol eh.
Yep. Gulat siguro yung Chen kanina. Ba't ang bilis mag-level up nila ngayon?
Tapos yung healer ngayon, lagi nag-iba na rin yung bumalik na doon. Lagi na lang ako nasa likod eh. Hindi na ako umaabante masyado ngayon. Likod.
Sige lang.
Ah, shit. Sira. Not sure kung ano palalakasin ko rito, kung speed boost.
Do we need bodyguard here? Or high
Sino ba ang main damager? Si Gazlo? May di-back dropship kukunin ko.
Okay.
I don't think much of this.
Nice.
We step closer.
Pahiya siya ngayon eh.
Message mo. Useless DPS. This is getting very hairy. Yup.
Op. Seratul. Let's go.
All in ako sa healing.
Ilang, meron
Atras ako konti.
healing item na dala.
Medyo delect. Okay. May healing item.
An access terminal will be online in a moment.
Lakas mang peste nung Murky natin.
Hindi, matras sila. Nice. Huh?
Gago ba siya?
Power routed to the terminal. Control it and you can find
Uy, bird. Okay.
I'm not scared of
Bye.
him. Why would I be scared of that asshole? Sira ng bot nila.
That's it. We got this.
It's no longer present.
Choose a power.
Charge it.
Hello. Sige, may healing item ako dinrap.
Asa! Nope.
Go!
the protector is waiting for you.
Ulul. Gigil ah.
You can count on me.
Kaya ako kinuha yung taxi, pantakas eh.
Sige, mag-whisper ako sa kanya.
Oh? Ano sabi?
Wait lang. Wait, never mind. Focus muna sa gate.
Oh, drog. Dinudurog.
Oh, what's the plan, robot? We're going mid? Okay.
Tataasan ko na yung healings ko, but hindi naman nila tayo kaya eh. Oo, saan pupunta to?
Being an asshole.
Si Zerat, si Boy Apoy yung hindi ko pa nakikitang nag-ulti.
Yeah, di pa.
Wala siyang chance eh.
The protector has been defeated.
Eh kahit yata yung isda natin hindi pa namamatay. Ay, namatay na.
Nice one, fish boy! Ow. Anong name niya? LLDSN?
It's all good.
Okay, I'm back.
Hello. Gago.
Wala, easy peasy. Life is easy.
LLDSN. LLDSN. Wala. Naka-block siya sa whisper.
Binlock ka na sa whisper. Takot yun dahil anohan mo. Ababa na. Ganun silang bumanat eh. Tatanggalin nila yung sa option yun. Tapos yung message ka, tapos babalik ka agad nila. Bakla eh. Bading.
Kalalaking tao. Bading.
Uiiwas sa message. Kaaway. Bading.
I am in herald.
Where are we going? I don't know.
Basta
Oh,
kung saan
may
nasaan
healing
sila.
item. Okay.
Sino?
May kumuha ng healing item.
Time to man up.
Kini-clear up ni Gazlo. Marunong si Gazlo. Okay. Nililinis niya lahat ng capture points.
Charge it.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Stay on a healing site.
Always love working with another professional.
Na-fuck up si Zera too.
A protector is almost ready. Access its terminal when I bring it online.
Bert, kamusta ka nag-get fucked up? Bitch!
That's the way we do it.
Uy, ba't ako tina-target ang tower?
Take control.
Oo ko sa'yo. Ito tinatanong mo.
Hello, walang laman yung spaceship.
Fill 'em full of daylight.
Okay na, Pam, na-extract na.
Oh, dead.
Yes.
The boy is
Okay,
Davis.
nasa folder ka na nung game, no? May nakikita ka dyan yung with the name Up Ownership.
Oo, kapul. Putit, pati ako tinamaan. Tumatagos pala yun.
Helldiver Strive Harder come on with this.
Right,
Wala.
recreate mo yung yung blunder na.
You have won the battle.
LDSM.
Pack up na laro yan no? Pag nagkamali ka.
Yes.
Start up the game lang.
Kung napanood
Wala
mo
akong
yung...
Squad.
Oh, wait, what? Wala?
Let me send yung ha.
Ba't wala ako?
Discord.
What the fuck?
Sige, send mo lang yung screenshot.
Done.
Read me. Oh, wait. No. I-open mo pa yung Helldivers Dive Harder. Andyan yun.
App ownership, yeah, I see it.
Yeah.
So,
I-click
run
mo
this?
yan. Open mo, tapos let it install sa Steam.
Open.
Pero ba't wala si
Boko
Google?
ng ina mo. Ayun nga, bad trip nga eh. Hindi ko tuloy, walang bragging rights.
Kaya try ko let mag-whisper.
You noob, you noob,
Ayun, lumabas.
you noob.
Noob DPS, ha? Yun nakalagay dito, naka-block talaga. /wish. Anong pangalan nung Zeratul kanina?
Hindi ko alam dun.
Ayun. Yu. Ay. He's here. Hello there. Dude. Add friend. I sent you
Anytime you're ready.
level 700 din naman pala siya eh. That's why he's good. Pero,
Grabe, Bert. Mas mataas yung level mo sa akin dati.
dati, everyday ako pwede maglaro. Ngayon, di na. Sunday lang ako. Oh, main niya si Garrosh. Okay.
Oh, shit. Wala.
Ansel.
May mag-i-start cancel to. Tagal, oh. Sa kabilang team, may yan. May nag-disconnect. Uy,
Nag-start.
tuloy.
Yung jinx mo, naging luck.
And tanong, Bert, sa laro mismo. Sana press tayong hindi naglalag. Uy, okay.
Pirate.
Puro range ang kalaban natin halos. So, hindi ko magagamit yung...
Si Diablo lang yung melee.
Kaya nga, hindi ko gagamitin yung basic attack. Nag-charge.
Sitsaron.
Alala ko dati, Bert. Pagka naglalaro tayong pagkain ko, noodles at
Bert, limestone
chicharon.
na.
Ano, Pam?
Limestone na ata. I think done na. And then?
Okay. Tapos
Okay,
na download yung app ownership. Try mo daw i-open yung launcher. Pag nag-loading siya smoothly, no issue na, okay na siya. Before tayo mag-start, start ka muna sa tutorial kasi we fucked up doon sa nag-skip kami ng tutorial.
Sige.
Nag-fucked up kami doon ni Buds.
Akala ko gamit, no? Hayop. Naalala ko yung meme ni William Defoe. Narap. Yung pala, Bert, gawin mo dun sa mga pagka in-edit mo. Maglagay ka ng meme ng Pakita mo yung meme ni William Dafoe bago mamatay. Diba? Ayos,
Yung tumingin
bagay.
sa taas.
Dapat dun sa natin, ganun eh. Intro. Ang sagwa eh.
Tapos,
Taas ng lag ko.
i-insert ko yung, yung wording na
I'm going to pull
he
back.
knew he fucked up. Tapos, insert yung meme ni William Dafoe.
10 seconds. Go.
Buds, hindi lang ikaw yung lag, ako rin.
Now we
Ilan ang ping mo?
250?
Ako 295. Fuck. Sabihin mo na rin, magsabi ka na.
Damn, dami ng issue ng server ng Heroes. Jesus.
Give him some pepper.
Oo, sino man yung tao sa baba, durog. Pa-level lang kayo dyan pero ingat.
Delayed. I am so super delayed. Nope, lilipat yan sila for sure. Ang tagal mo gumalaw, GB!
Be careful. Something's off.
Welcome to my...
You better stay close. I'm weird on the radar.
Ba!
You can count on me.
Mother Jackers. Ayaw, tumira ng bomba.
Bumalik ka,
Hayop.
GB boy!
Sobrang lag.
Jesus Christ.
cover up your doubloons and maybe
Yung intention ko magtago sa bush. Hindi nagtago sa bush. Wala, Buds. Pinipursa talaga tayo. Maglaro ng ibang game.
Last game na lang. Wala na, nakuha na yung coins.
Tapos na? Oo.
Yun, gitna ng clash. Galing ng connection mo, Bart. Gitna ng clash. Nakahinto lang yung character mo, GG.
Looks like your foe beat you to it.
Ang tagal ng delay!
Fuck that, man. Fuck that. I don't know how we're gonna win this shit.
Fire your skull at him instead.
Ako hindi ko ganong random kasi healer ako eh. Kailangan ko lang magtago talaga sa likod. Problema mo, ikaw kailangan mo sumugod eh.
Yun nga eh. Tapos pag hinahabol ako, hindi ako makatakas. Dahil sa delay.
Cease fire. Say what more. They'll need to pay up first.
Mga 0.5 seconds yung delay, no?
Yes. I think sa akin exactly 1 second, hindi 0.5 eh.
Oh, fuck that, man.
Ano nangyari sa server sa HOTS? God damn!
Much obliged.
Wala na nga ako ina-update or whatever. God damn. Nag-start ka na sa basic training, Pam? Sa Helldivers?
Yeah. Yeah, I am. Nag-training na ko.
Mouse and keyboard gamit mo?
Yep.
Good. I tried controller dyan. Medyo trashy siya. Kaya, yeah. Mouse and keyboard is the recommendable.
I see.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Every time we're gonna play
Open.
Helldivers, masasanay tayo lagi for the democracy.
Wala ko for the Emperor eh. Masyadong similar eh.
Walang emperor sa sa Helldivers.
Wala pa eh. Hindi pa yata naglalantad si ano eh. Oh shit.
Ang tagal ko! Tagal ko makarating!
Galing ni Albert oh. Medyo na si Albert oh. Oh, si Nalo. Idol! No! No! You guys are killing me.
Select a talent.
Saan ka pupunta, Jimmy?
Yung DPS na lalakbay.
Hinahabol ko si Silvana. Doon yung dumiretso.
May sarili kang quest, Albert.
Don't be working for free.
Yeah. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, fuck's sake.
Select a talent.
This should be good.
Oh my goodness. Gets ko na yung feeling mo, Boots. Ay, yung recon na. God damn.
A hero has returned to the fight.
Keep up the pressure.
Saan ba ako kinonek?
Pick a talent.
Sa Taiwan ako kinonek.
Taiwan. Parehas tayong Taiwan kaya pala eh.
I'm calling in a
A
retreat.
hero has rejoined the battle.
Yung default niya Korea, diniretso ko sa Taiwan.
Ako rin eh.
God damn it!
A hero has returned.
Pag mali pa yung SS, kinuha nito.
Bah, who cares? Let's get to the fun part.
Rejoin na ako.
Choose a talent.
Gagong connection to. Wala na, nagpi-freeze na ako.
Kontrolado kita, Bet.
Please do that. O yeah, Pam, dapat pag tatawag ka ng stratagems, you need to be fast para matawag yun.
I see.
Like yun, up, down, left, right, you need to be fast.
Yeah, as a matter of fact, andito na ako. What the fuck does this do? Stratagems.
Oh my god, fucked up yung session sa HOTS. Dahil sa
At least
server lang.
matapang na yung Raynor ngayon. Fucking shit, man.
Hindi ko alam ano nangyari sa game.
We are winning. Thanks to you.
Who's got the coin for me services?
Ilan na yung time right now sa game?
Not sure. Shit! Sinasalo ng karakter mo lahat ng atake. Ang galing!
Come on, let's help our ally.
Ano, Raynor, ilagay mo yung pera mo dito. Nice.
Ilan yung dala niya?
Piso.
Keep up the pressure.
Ilang minutes na in the game right now? 7 or 8 na?
8, magna 9.
Napaka-delay ng 1 minute.
Wala, panalo tayo. Nag-give up na yung kalaban, lakas ng AI.
Much obliged.
Ang galing ni Raynor, nagpatama pa sa sa Mercs. Sinalo yung atake ng Mercs eh.
Thanks for the
They've had enough.
Pika. He's about to come in.
They're out. A nice streaming setup.
Come
You
on
use
in, fella.
hacking app on your phone to hack. Martins, I just hacked your computer.
No.
Got myself 10 XP podcast episode. Oh my goodness, I got myself a podcast. You got this, cartoons.
Got him. Got
Yeah.
him. Now, Squirtle, there's got to
Good
be a
job.
use for all this bullshit I'm picking up. Alien
I don't
teeth,
think so. Maybe you can cook it.
alien glands. Ugh. Are you just sitting in my chair?
I'm resting.
Okay. I hear more wet shit.
Are we ready to leave?
Hero has
Oh,
rejoined
I'm
the
back.
battle.
Sounds
Look.
like a plan.
Pero super delay, for fuck's sake. Hindi ko makagalaw.
Mad. Shit, follow me, motherfucker.
Return to the fight.
You ain't feeling a thing.
Sumunod ka na lang kasi.
Our ally requires help.
God damn it.
Raynor ko.
A hero
Hindi malaman.
We've reached an accord.
Anong gusto gawin sa buhay?
Show your enemies a jolly good time.
Ako lang ako kukuha. Halika dito. Ayaw.
Wait for
Ah,
me.
shit. Hindi pala jet yung gamit ko.
Oh, you're not taxi driver.
Keep destroying.
Oh.
You're the drug
The
seller.
drug lord.
Choose a talent. Pick a talent.
Ito lang, wala akong hinihil eh. Para tayong binuhat ng kakampi natin eh. Baba ng hero.
Admit, nanalo pa rin.
Victory. MVP.
Nice one.
Akala ko may position si Raynor eh. Most disconnected times, no?
That's fucked up, dudes. Oh, fucking hell. Na-accept na ba niya yung friend natin? Hindi pa.
Mas si Rich, punayin kita ko kay Rich, excited mag-resign. Ako takot at takot matanggal.
May nakita na ba siyang ibang work?
Ewan ko. Wala pa yata.
I see.
Si Sarada kaya, magiging Uchiha kaya, magiging Hokage kaya yan. Yung bag,
Maybe.
ewan, tagal, di ko na pinanonood kasi Boruto.
Okay.
Na-bored ako doon.
Yeah.
Try ko yung nagustuhan ko lang yung fight scene na may kalaban sila alien and then hindi ko na pinanood. Hindi ko na pinanood yung whole episode. Yung scene lang na that's it.
Yung mga Otsutsuki, yung mga alien.
Ah, that was Suzuki.
At natawa ako doon sa Naruto. At first, akala ko, uy, patapos na. Kasi nandito na si Madara. Ay, wait, hindi pa pala tapos. Ano pa pala yung Ten Tails? Yes, natalo na ng Ten Tails. Patapos
puppet,
na rin.
ano?
Ay, wait, meron pa pala si,
Super
yung babae na puti. Yung, ng Ten
Si
Tails.
Kaguya.
prosperity
Kaguya.
and
Sabi ko,
democracy.
ay, shit. Tagal nito, what the fuck?
Tapos meron pa pala yung mga kamag-anak niya.
Oo, sabi ko, finally, tapos na. Natalo na si Kaguya yung, ng Ten Tails. Ay, wait, nag-away na naman si Naruto at si Sasuke. Ay, oh my god, ano ba ito? Ano next?
Why not
Nagawa
make
ko
the
talaga
most
to sa-
important decision
Flat
of your
point.
life? Make
Oo.
the safety of your family.
Tsaka yung mga
a
kalaban nila, parang,
personal
alam mo yung Russian,
responsibility.
Russian doll?
Prove that you have the strength and courage
Parang ganun
to
eh,
be free.
diba? Yung mga kalaban,
Join the
kinokontrol.
Helldivers.
Ayun, si Kaguya
Travel
naman,
the
ang
galaxy.
pinaghahandaan niya, yung mga
Visit the
kamag-anak niya.
capitals. Meet unusual people.
Kaya pala siya nag-iipon
and
ng sandamukal
represent
na
the Federation.
army.
Secure the resources
Tsaka
we
yung
need
paan,
to
yung
preserve
chakra
our
fruit ba yun?
way of life.
Yun
And
nga, kaya siya
create a future
gumagawa nun
for
para
Super Earth.
against dun sa clan members niya. Di ba ano siya, para siyang nagrebelde.
Democracy throughout the galaxy.
Ayun.
Become
Parang ano
more
tuloy,
than
parang
you are.
ano ba bago?
Become a hero.
Sana may bago.
Become a legend.
Parang ang nangyari is, Kaguya is, ano yun? Forward scout ng mga alien.
Oo,
Tapos,
siya yung pinakamababa pala sa pwesto.
tapos na in love siya sa tao. Tapos,
Hindi, nagkaanak siya. ganun.
na-delay lang yung pagdating ng mga kamag-anak niya dahil na-sealed siya, di ba?
Oo.
Na-sealed si Kaguya nun. So, dumaan pa ng how many years, nagkaroon pa ng mga ninja wars, different nations. Kumalat yung chakra.
Yeah. Pero parang ang lumalabas, hindi siya talaga totally salbahe, di ba? Parang mali lang din yung ano niya.
Yung steps niya.
Yeah. Kaya parang ano tuloy, ganun din si Madara. Ganun, halos lahat ng kalaban puro ganun. Hindi naman sa pero hindi yung mga kalaban ng Naruto parang hindi complex. Di katulad ng
I don't
Hunter x
need
Hunter.
your introduction, you damn robot.
Mas gusto ko kalaban sa Hunter x Hunter.
The cyborg fleet is advanced.
Tapos ka na sa training, Pam?
Pa.
Wala pa actually.
Wala pa?
Sa Yu Yu Hakusho, ayun tama.
Dami
Ano
ng
lang,
kalaban.
Falling Hero. Alam mo yun, Bert, di ba? Yu Yu Hakusho.
The what now?
Yu Yu Hakusho. Ghost Fighter.
Yeah. Why?
Para siyang prototype ng Hunter x Hunter.
Oh.
Pansin mo yung mga character, si Kyohei, si Gon,
Ah.
si Yusuke, si Gon,
Saka
si Kyohei,
invisible
si
ka,
Alfred.
Buds.
Saan? Sa
Steam.
Hindi ko pa nabubuksan. Kukuha mo na ako pagkain. Tsaka hinahanap ko yung, ano yung pangalan nun?